Hey everyone, Krishna this side, and I hope you all are doing great. So today, I had taken entry in the Bank Nifty, and before discussing the logic behind the today's trade, yesterday and day before that also, I did took trades. However, on both the days, I was in a profit with the first trade, and the profit was kind of around 5K and 6K, and I couldn't digest that profit. So whatever the profit I made, I thought of increasing it, and because of that, I made the both the profitable position into the losing one. So if I say on this day around somewhere here, I made the first position, I immediately in the next 2 3 candles I exited from it, and same mistakes I had done in the previous day as well. Even on the previous day, this on this 6th November, I did entered here, and in the next this candle itself, I exited from the market, and the market was completely sideways, going further, and because of this, I keep on trying to build positions upside downside, and that made me the profitable position into the losing one, and that was a really frustrating thing for me. So today, even for the first candle, right? So due to impatience, I entered here somewhere around here in the downside. But I decided that if it breaks these levels, at least it will try to come around 500, because that's a psychological level for most of the traders. And if I draw the fib, right? So the big fib in the big time frame. So if I drop it from here to here, so I was expecting that market should at least come around 0.618, if it as in it has broken 0.5. So I was expecting it to come here, but there are high chances that market may reverse from the level which it has been reversed in the morning, right? So why the market has reversed from here itself is like if I drop it from here to here, right? Sorry, it was not like this, from this position to the first candle stop. So this was also another reversing area, so I was just looking out this area. If it breaks, then definitely it will try to come to 2.618 area, and I would book profit around this area. But the market has no intention to go downside, and that somehow I analyzed quickly and uh, uh, decided to close the position in the next candle itself, because it didn't further go downside, so that I closed that position, and waited to get a proper entry if it makes a big C side candle. If it has to go upside, right? So it has to make good buying side pressure. So in this candle, I noticed that behavior, and it has broken zero point 0.5 area as well. So if I draw this line, right? So we notice that this candle has been broken, 0.5 of this I mean the half of this area, the sellers area. So sellers will now be in trouble, and we can easily target them. So in the next candle itself, I taken a C side entry to go upside, and I decided that if it shows some reversal retracement, then I'll be keep on adding, and my SL would be below this area, because if it breaks, then it will definitely go downside. So that was clear intention from behind this trade, and I decided that, so if market comes here and then retracement and then go upside, so if it try to make this kind of behavior, I am ready for that. So somewhere here, I thought of like keep on adding the position in this candle, in this red candle also. I did added few, I tried adding the few quantity, but due to insufficient fund in the account, I couldn't add the quantity size. So then the market started reversing, and in this candle itself, somewhere I booked the profit, just because I was having really bad days, back to back 2 days. So I decided to book the profit. So the first position was in downside, but immediately in the next candle, I booked the position, and the next one was like around at 227. I entered, and yes, at around within 5 6 minutes, I closed the position. I could have holded it, but due to the both the back-to-back days, I got into the SLs, and I didn't post the videos as well because of the frustration and all. But yes, this was the profit I was able to book today around 9,000. Even I can refresh the position and show it to you guys. So yes, I should have posted the videos, but yes, I couldn't do that due to the frustration and all. And Yeah, that's all from this video, and I hope I could uh, quickly get some grips on whatever the issue that I'm having, because this is the same mistakes I usually do in the market, and I am pretty much sure that most of the traders out there, they are also doing the same mistakes. The overtrading is what I'm talking about. Otherwise, first trade, identifying the first trade is pretty much easy in the market if we do some lot of practice and all. And yeah, the people also, we see the data, right? So it is one of the toughest uh, uh, business that we see in the market out there, because only few percent, only 1-2% of people could easily make profit out of the market. So it is one of the toughest business out there, and really requires a lot of patience and calmness. So otherwise, even if you have a lot of ideas, knowledge, all the patterns, chart understanding and all, nothing gonna work if we don't have the patience and calmness into the market. So yes, definitely one must needs to uh, have that achieve. So one must achieve that calmness and psychologically also, they someone needs to be good. Then only we can achieve the profit into the market. Otherwise, it is really gonna be tough for anyone who is looking out to make money from the stock market. So that's all from this video. I hope you get some learning, and I am saying that I don't see any reach from this channel, so I may close this channel and open another one, because I don't see I'm getting any reach from this channel, and I'll try to improve the audio video quality as well in coming days. So that's all from this video. I hope you get some learning. If at all getting some learning, please do like and share the video. That's all from my side. Thank you.